barbecue. This is the ingredients. This is your potato. This is barbecue shrimp. Barbecue medium rare steak. Barbecue well done steaks. This is probably about 10 to 12, maybe 15 steaks. And this here is the corn, mashed potatoes, well, potato, asparagus, romaine lettuce, this is the drinks. Today we celebrating a birthday and anniversary with Jasmine, Matt.
Is this for you? Are you going to split it big?
Yes. Adin, Warren, happy anniversary, happy birthday, Adin. Backyard barbecue just
Okay,
finished.
guys, come.